So what is the data infrastructure bottleneck, right? So if you are a fund or a systematic trader, maybe a pod in a larger firm, or maybe even a small family office, you know the value of data and how difficult it is to obtain high quality data. That's a prerequisite for doing anything. So very often, if you're a PM, a quant, a trader, maybe even in compliance or doing some sort of reporting, the first thing you need is high quality data. And that becomes your first build versus buy decision. Where am I going to get that data? Am I going to buy it from a vendor? Am I going to buy, do I need real time or just historical? Do I need both? Once I obtain that data, how do I know that it's good data? Where am I going to store that data? How am I going to provide access to the data? Through what APIs, through what platforms, what tools? There's a tremendous number of decisions that go immediately into the decision to enable your users, with a data infrastructure that can meet their problems. And historically, many surveys have been done, a lot of analysis has been done. What's been concluded and is really without argument is that quants, for all their sort of intellectual capabilities and skills, and the cost that goes into hiring these very expensive people, we'd like to think that they're building alpha generating models, right, that are making the firms that they work for money. Turns out that most of the time, because again, clean high quality data is a prerequisite for a high quality model or analysis or a trading signal, that the first thing that needs to be done is to validate, curate, clean, align, reconcile the data itself. So 80% roughly is the number historically quants and other people who work with data spend actually cleaning data. So that's 80% of their time spent wrangling data before they even get a chance to do the high value work that they're paid to do. And then lastly, let's say you have the data. Well, how are you going to quickly derive value from that data? What tools do you have? What's your stack? There are a lot of questions there. Do you go open source? Do you go all in on a vendor's siloed proprietary stack? Do you install that on-prem, or do you run it in the cloud, right? And there's all sorts of variations of those alternatives that need to be considered. So at the end of the day, because these are all complex decisions with a lot of dependencies, it takes forever to get reliable, clean data. For one market, and much less multiple markets, especially let's say you're a multi-strat or a global macro fund, where you need data, from multiple, exchanges in, different countries.